Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Mr. Heater 50,000 BTU heater. So if you are wondering what's in the box and potentially thinking about buying one, you guys can know. We'll take a quick walk around of it and show you what it looks like and my first impressions. So this is everything you get in the box. You get two of the mounting brackets that mount to the heater and then mount to the ceiling. You get your jets, because this does come as a natural gas and you have to switch it over to propane, so there's the jets. You get the spring, which is also for the conversion to propane. Instruction manual. You get some stickers to put on there after you convert it to propane. Mr. Heater sticker. I'm not sure where we're going to put that. Maybe on the toolbox, we'll see. And you get the heater itself. It isn't very big. It has fan louvers so you can direct the air. They do have springs on them so they stay in place. They seem like they have quite a bit of tension on them. So I think they're going to stay in place and not move around. I have seen a lot of heaters, the springs break or pop out, so time will tell on how that works. I do like the red spring, kind of looks cool. When we walk around to the back side, you got your blower fan, which actually pushes air over the heat exchanger. You have your 4-inch vent, which is a powered vent, so you can vent it vertically or horizontally. You got your 1/2-inch gas inlet, and you got your power, which I have. I'll show you here in a second. I have just a basic 14 amp power cord, because this only draws like 3 amps on that motor, and for the electronic ignition. You can pull this cover off and it wires right into one of these knockouts, whichever way you want to send it. And that's about it. That's all that comes in the box. And I am going to be converting this over to propane. So I'll make a video on that. So if you want to subscribe and watch that video, if you're going to convert it over to propane, pretty straightforward. So if you guys are looking to pick up this heater, I bought this at Menards so that I got the 11% off, which took the price down to like $375 from $429, but it is the same price on Amazon if you don't have a Menards around you. I'll put a link in the description to both of them, and you guys can go check them out. So stay tuned for the conversion to propane and the install videos.